I got these leaf guards from Home Depot. These vinyl, 5-inch vinyl gutters were from Home Depot too. I'll put this with my rain barrel thing. But anyway, didn't have instructions on how to install them. They clip right into the supports. And then what I'm doing that I hadn't seen that I thought might be a good idea is I'm getting a zip tie where they overlap. I have a couple inches overlap on each of them, but I've got a leaf separator, that black thing on the rain gutter, but the neighbor's trees, I don't have any trees around here, they fill up these rain gutters, and pitch might not be perfect, so they get wet and they stay, and I gotta blow them out. So now I'm hoping not to have to blow them out. Oh, and I just wanted to point out, I really like these. It's a solar light, and I've got them all over my property. And then when you walk under them, here's what I was doing, zip tying these ends together. Walk under them, they come on, so like at night when you're coming out to go to the car, the lights will pop on for you. So I put this leaf guard on here because I was getting tired of cleaning out the rain gutter, because I got a water collection system, and as you can see, it might not be working out so well. I got it from Home Depot. So I bought this leaf guard to keep the leaves out, but apparently it doesn't work so good for the helicopters off the maple tree. If you want to get a leaf guard, I might recommend getting one that doesn't have holes in it. And I put it on here so I wouldn't have to take the leaf blower and blow my gutters out. So hopefully this is only a spring thing.